Mabuhay! In this video, I will show you how to use the Zoom app for your Windows PC, and we will be covering starting from the installation, signing up, scheduling, and up to joining a meeting. To start, we have to download and install the Zoom app for your PC. Go to your browser search engine, then search for Zoom. Look for the Zoom client for meetings, then click the download button. After successfully downloading the file, on the lower left corner of your window, click the zoominstaller.exe file. Click on the Sign In button. You will have few options to sign up for your free account. You can use your Gmail or Facebook account or click the Sign Up Free option. You will be redirected to the Zoom sign up website. Please input all the information asked. You will then receive an activation link on your email. Please click on the Activate Account button. Then again, please input all the information being asked. Now go to your Zoom app and type your email and password. We will only make this tutorial a very simple one by trying the app's join and schedule options. First, let's try scheduling a meeting. Click on the schedule button to proceed. Add the title of your meeting. Then choose your meeting date and time. You can also choose to add your own password. Don't forget to turn on the video of hosts and participants if you want your meeting to be interactive. You can disregard the calendar option and click schedule. Now go to the Meetings tab. Click on Copy Invitation and share it to your meeting participants. I open a notepad and pasted the invitation just to show you how the link looks like. Click on the Start button to start the meeting. Click on the Join with Computer Audio. While on the meeting, you still have the option to either mute your audio or switch your camera off. You also have the option to share your screen or your presentation. If you want to end the meeting, click the End button. To join a meeting, click on the Join button. Type the meeting ID and click Join, and you will also be asked to input the meeting's unique password. And that's the simple ways on how to use the Zoom app. Thank you for joining me on this video. See you next time and mabuhay!